This is half a cup of white sugar and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. I'm just gonna go ahead and give this a good mix and just pour just a quarter on the bottom, just like that. For our second layer, we're adding some crescent rolls. We're gonna set this aside. We're gonna make our cheesecake filling. There's 2 packets of cream cheese, just the regular kind. We're adding 2 eggs, a dash of vanilla flavoring. And to that, we're gonna be adding another half cup of sugar. Get our trusty mixer. What kind of cheesecake do you guys like? Let me know in the comments. Pouring this all over our crescent roll dough. Spread everything out. We're taking a second roll of the crescents. Take the rest of that cinnamon sugar. So this was in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes and then cooled for about an hour. It's not completely cooled, but let's go ahead and give this a cut. Oh, look at that. Now, if you leave this in the fridge for a few more hours, it will set completely, but I just want to go ahead and dig on in.